How to make Dinakdakan. Boil pork face, pork ears, and chicken breast or pork chops until tender. Grill all the meat. After grilling, slice them into thin strips. Put the sliced meat in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Squeeze 1 lemon over the meat. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt. Add pepper. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then pour it over the meat. Add minced ginger. Then slice chili pepper and minced garlic. Then add sliced blue onions. Then sliced green scallions. Mix everything together. Your Dinakdakan is ready. Plate and serve. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here's all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.